Well, many more people ask me why I can get my first 1 billion rupiah. Yes, in this video I will reveal some of the big things that I have gone through to get my first 1 billion rupiah. Do you wanna know? Okay, let's look at the real possible and easier than you think. Absolutely no, I got all this without any fucking bullshit. Here, just my own realistic way to make 1 billion rupiah. Now look at me, I started with wake up every 5 AM and then spin in my car to my fucking workplace. I have one of the biggest Apple repair service store in the city. Oh, sorry, I have two. Yeah, I have two Apple repair store, motherfucker. I also run a car rental business. Oh wait, I forgot how many cars that I have today, but it's okay. I built my own website, running SEO, making article, editing video, and social management for all my own fucking business. By myself. Yes, myself. Well, it's so fucking busy, but I still have my own time. I still party every night, dancing with the women, getting drunk, and getting very high like tomorrow is the end of the fucking world. And I still traveling every weekend. Start the morning in Singapore, feel the hot afternoon sun in Malaysia, and spend the night in Thailand, and on another day, sometimes I kill my fucking time in Europe. Then are all these crazy things enough to make me get my first 1 billion rupiah? And now, even when this video was made, my parents gave me 1 billion rupiah from selling terrace field in the village. Well, actually, that's where I got my first 1 billion rupiah. If you know, so you know.